Alright, so we got this maintenance for this 4Runner here. I ceramic coated it about 2 or 3 years ago, so we're going to see how the ceramic coating's doing and making sure everything's in tip-top shape. And we'll get this interior done first. Maintenance vehicles, I like to use this solution here. It's a maintenance vehicle. It doesn't really need something that's strong, so I like to use something that's more light, but also puts down a layer of protection. Foam can, I'm going to use an alkaline cleaner, so I'm going to use that to clean up the wheels, the wheel wells, all that stuff. Good amount of bugs on the front as well, pretty filthy. So we're going to make sure to handle that with, pretty sure a bug remover should work, if not acid, but a maintenance vehicle, so in the past it has came off easy, so expecting the same. Water's still beating pretty well from the ceramic coating, so we're gonna add a topper with the Technician's Choice ceramic spray wax to kind of help keep it alive and preserve it for as long as possible. What's great about Technician's Choice is that you could go ahead and apply this even when the surface is wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the wheels and also the paint. Alright, pretty much all that's left is gonna dress the tires, dress the wheel wells, and then we're gonna put in a new air freshener. Alright, time to pack up and then we'll we'll take a video of the final results.